Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to transfer USDT from one platform to another in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know USDT is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a reliable choice for quick transfers without wild price swings. Whether you're moving it from an exchange like Binance to another like Coinbase, or straight to your personal wallet, this guide will make it straightforward and secure. First things first, let's get started with the basics. Before you transfer, double-check your USDT balance on the source platform. Make sure you select the right network. USDT can run on Ethereum, Tron, or even Solana, so pick the one that matches your recipient's setup to avoid any errors or lost funds. Step 1. Log into your source platform and navigate to the Withdrawal or Send section. You'll see an option for USDT, click that. Now, copy the recipient's wallet address. This is crucial. Always verify it twice to prevent sending to the wrong place. I can't stress this enough. A simple typo could mean goodbye to your crypto. Step 2. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Most platforms will show you the estimated fees up front, so keep an eye on those. They can vary based on the network you choose. Once you're set, hit confirm. You'll probably need to approve the transaction with two-factor authentication for added security. After that, sit tight. Blockchain transactions can take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on the network congestion in 2025. Use the platform's transaction history or a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to track it. A few quick tips to keep you safe. Always use a secure internet connection, enable all security features on your accounts, and never share your private keys. In 2025, with advanced tech like quantum-resistant wallets, staying updated is key. And there you have it. Transferring USDT is easier than you might think. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.